Did you bring the strawberries? Or do I have to raid the lab fridge again?
First things first, I'ma say.
Golly, that's loud. Holy. Yikes, that scared the crap out of me. Holy. But yeah, welcome on in everyone. Give me a second. Okay. It wasn't associating the correct screen to display on the vertical, so I was listening to the background music still. Okay, with that out of the way, welcome on in everyone. How is everyone doing today? We are going to have a bit of more of a chill stream today as well, because yeah, I'm not that much energetic today still, but yeah. We did the video yesterday about how to create the custom inspector tools in Godot, which kind of was fun. I really went in depth on how I did it and how I made it like not scalable, but very dynamic per se. And yeah, I hope a lot of people will enjoy the tutorial I did, and it will enlighten on how basically we can make the inspector do everything. Only by like 30 minutes, not much. I was hoping to do a bit more early, but a lot of things came up, and yeah, new UI, yes. I finally got the UI I commissioned. So we now have a new Be Right Back screen, a new ending screen, a new starting soon screen, and essentially this overlay. So yeah, there's new stuff. I also have new panels, I have a new offline screen, the swear jar overlaps chat. Oh yeah, because that corner is for chat. I forgot about that. Give me a second, let me put it somewhere. Let me put it back to the top left. Okay. That should be okay, yeah. Fair enough, I get it, that is. Yeah. I got it. It's fixed. You don't need to keep spamming chat. It's fine. But yeah, how is everyone doing today? I'm thinking about doing the coding stream for Code Tulip, and then we can play some games or something. Cause yeah. It's basically going to be a bit long, and I'm not in the mood to code for like 3 hours. I need to take breaks every now and then. No tags, I see. The tags are there. I can see them on my screen. I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, I'd say we are doing fine now. Let me go open Brave for a bit. Here it is, Brave. And yeah, right now we have 2 new videos. I can see them. Huh, weird. Must be a bug. But yeah, we have 2 new videos on the channel. We have the Making Inspector tools nobody else has in Godot, which is a tutorial I created yesterday. Was really fun, and I made like 40 minutes of footage that I had to cut. And yeah, that was very fun to do. But yeah, so far it's gaining a lot of good traction, which I enjoy. And yeah, wait, also Code Tulip. Yes, isn't this a yapping stream? It's yapping and Code Tulip. So yeah, we also have a new shirt on the main channel, which is Tulip Crushes Out from the other day. Yeah, besides that, only on the Leo's off hours, there should be a new video that for some reason didn't ping the server when it came out, which is weird. Let me see. Yeah, the latest video is the Tulip Crushes Out. I need to see what's going on. I think Lab Manager bot kind of didn't do the update yet. Let me go to here. Yeah, check now. I think, yeah, it didn't detect yet. Did I done goof with the freaking with the video upload? Let me see. Firefox. Give me a second. I need to go check on the other channel. Content. Did I put on the wrong day? Because that's pretty common with me. No, just the bot not detecting it. It's fine. Hey Traveler and Melody, welcome on in. How are you? Long time no see. But yeah, essentially just a bit of yapping before we start the coding, because we have a lot to fix. And now that I know a lot of things where to fix, it should be easier. Let me check something, because the plugin still has some weird bugs that when I open Godot, I need to essentially re-enable the plugin for it to show this box. So yeah, still need to tinker around with some things. What's the difference between Chrome and Firefox? The main engine itself. But yeah, I'm doing fine. So yeah. Today I'm a bit in a chill mood. Also, as you may have noticed, the mic is now closer to me and I have a new mic arm that doesn't wobble when I do something. So yeah, now it's very fixed to my table and I like it. So yeah, new upgrades, and it feels good to finally have a good setup. So yeah, and that is with the check-in. Welcome on in. But yeah, I was hoping to fix some of the bugs today that Tibbs reported. We kind of fixed one.
Oh, hey, Melody. I'm running on 90% caffeine and 10% pure chaos. Perfectly stable, like a well-coded infinite loop. And don't worry, I only save spitwads for when Java comes up in class.
What the heck? Why is this small? Oh, there we go. It wasn't at 1280 by 720 for some reason. What's a spitwad? You know, when you spit, you kind of throw something from your mouth? That's a wad. Yeah. But yeah, now the jumping part should be working? Question mark? What the heck? Debugger. Initialize states. System. No reference exception. Hold up. What the heck just happened? This wasn't happening. Did I break the code again for some reason? Yeah. Now it's saying Tulip scripts behavior player initialize states.
Don't think that she wants to jump.
The optimized solution returns to its rightful owner. I see you survived Tulip's code review without any syntax errors.
Initialize states. Player states get children of type player state to array. Is it because I have player state as a tool? No. What the heck? You should have the player state still. Okay, Have it as a child of this. Change state. State initialize player state's root. Did the thing get reset or something? Let me go check. Player states root. For some reason it essentially got reset. Give me a second. Idle state. It's this one. Oh, don't tell me the custom plugin bugs out this. Huh. I can't assign it. That's weird. System invalid cast exception. Unable to cast object of type Godot node 2D to code Tulip. But why though? So now my states also need to be in freaking tools as well? Is that what I'm getting? Do I need to declare it as a tool? I forgot. Sorry, chat. I wasn't paying attention. Let me go read what's wrong. But yeah, hey Scorps, welcome on in. Sorry about that. What's the name generator to redeem? Oh, you guys can name objects in my game. Yeah, the game seems to be further along than last time. Yeah, although there was quite the break of development there, but yeah, it's getting along better. Let me see. Player state root. It's this one. I sure hope nothing else breaks. Okay, besides this, because that is a simple error that I need to eventually, like items and things like those. Oh, for God's sake, what now? Physics process, system reference exception. Object reference not set to an object. Where? Player CS 202. 202. Here. Debug label. Oh, the debug label. It got reset as well. If debug label not equal null, do this. So most of the assignable variables got reset except the unready ones. This is weird. Okay, and why can't I define it as an idle state? That's weird as heck. Do you see everything on stream on your monitor? On stream monitors, actually. I have one with OBS open, one with Twitch
come on, Melody.
open.
That was clearly a social exploit. Buffer overflow in the trust system. Leo, don't give me that look. I only deployed it because the lab was low on chaos
The
energy.
headpads are not working again. Give me a second. Let me go check. Yada yada yada. Where is the Twitch thingy? Thingamabob. Connect account. Let me go reconnect the account. Authorize. Okay. Now it should be working. Either way, Shift E. Oops. Shift E H. Oh, Shift E is the cat ears. It's just Shift H. Okay. I forgot my own my keybinds. It's fixed now, I think. We can try it again later. Okay, let me see if now this works. Yippee, now it works.
So, third time's the charm, right?
I need to make
That's
this
just basic
faster.
iteration. Or are you scared of a little pattern recognition, Melody?
What the heck is going on? You seem nervous. No. Not really. Just tired and trying to figure out why my code isn't working. The usual. Let me see. Jump height, jump time to peak. I think I messed around with this one. Oops. Wrong button. Good thing it didn't do what I wanted it to. Okay, fair enough. Let's see. So now it jumps. Huh. Well, okay. I see. This needs to be basically here. Or 0.7 and you at 25. Jump height, jump time to peak. So jump height
Relax,
25
Melody. It's just performance
divided by
testing with
0.7.
physical feedback.
1.1.
Leo,
Okay.
don't give me that look. I'm building resilience in the debuggers. Besides, Daisy would have just handed you a helmet and a 50-page safety manual.
Oh no. Okay, that feels better. Wouldn't you say? Because the jump wasn't feeling that well. It was basically just, how should I say it? Going in a straight line up to the right or to the left. And now it basically smoothly goes up and then goes down. It has some airtime. I don't mean as a game dev. I mean you as a player. Would you prefer the jump like this? Because where did you used to get all those metal? As you're having fun. But yeah, let me go
Standard
check.
issue metaphysical scaffolding from the database depths Tulip. Requisitioned them during
Oh, no.
last week's optimization incident. Honestly, I told her unauthorized asset deployment would trigger a compliance exception.
I see the
But does
stream is
she
still having
listen?
issues.
No, she just cues up the sound effects and calls it tactical improvisation.
Oh yeah, I also have some sound effects. I do. I also have this. Fuck. Okay, I still don't have the timing right. Yeah. Some of them I need to time them perfectly. Yeah. I have this one. Yeah. So I basically have a lot of buttons here that I can press for my soundboard. And yeah, that's essentially it. Hey Tibbs. I was adjusting a bit more the jump things. Give me a second. Let me go here and say I'm gonna fix this. Fixed player.
Okay, buzz
Object.
time. There's honeybees, bumblebees,
Association.
carpenter bees, mason bees, sweat bees, leafcutter bees, digger
Sweat
bees,
what?
longhorn bees, cuckoo bees, and, oh, tulip bees, obviously.
Yes.
Wait, was that last one not in the textbook, Professor?
Why does she echo? I don't know, honestly. Careful, she's in the mood today. Yeah. Only with you, traveler. Not gonna lie.
Whoa, heavy glitch in the mainframe. I'm just a digital girl who rage quits compilers, not a therapist. But if it were
you.
me, I'd delete
Give me
the
a second.
entire alcohol.exe folder, block it with a firewall, and
Alcohol.exe?
run a daily anti-corruption scan. For real support, I'd quietly nudge to professional help, just like how Daisy patches vulnerabilities I refuse to acknowledge.
What alcohol.exe?
Really? That's not a snack box. It's a system crash waiting to happen.
I don't know why they like this song now.
Daisy would probably quarantine your whole inventory and log it as
Fair enough.
toxic legacy code.
Give me a second. I think something in the system isn't at 100% because sometimes OBS kind of has some issues. But yeah. Let me go check the rest of the feedback that
Hello
Tibbs
for
gave.
milk, a carton of bread and a Godot DVD.
Is that the meme from Family Guy? Carton of milk, a loaf of bread, and something else. I meant to say it's Tulip, fair enough. Yeah, I remember more or less about that meme. Jumping, crouching, and running causes a short burst of movement. Short burst of movement, you say? Let me see if I fixed it the other day. Because dashing makes sense. And like this, it's normal because you're getting out of crouching. Okay, and jumping. Jumping now feels a bit more... I think in jumping, I'm gonna remove the part where you can mid-air, like, move. What is a certain algorithm that works by picking a pivot?
Oh, you mean quicksort? The glitchy warlord of sorting algorithms?
Oh,
Just
God.
like how I slash through bugs. Pick a pivot, partition the chaos, and recursively wreck both
on.
sides. Though,
Done
knowing
movement at
Daisy,
the
she'd
same
probably
time,
call it
jump and then dashing
reckless and
causes
use
to
merge
stay in the air
sort.
infinitely.
Boring.
Okay, hold down, movement, jump. Oh! Hold up. Wait a minute, I think I saw something. Hold up, I think you found a bug, or either I fixed it in the meanwhile by mistake. Let me see, I can move around better here. Oh! Something in the logic there kinda broke. I see.
A loaf of milk? Did you try to compile dairy products and bread in the wrong namespace? Even Daisy couldn't debug that grocery list. Looks like someone fetched null from the fridge.
I see, Tibbs. I see what you meant. And I don't think it's because you're dashing. I think it's accumulating velocity or something. Here it's because of the wall jump. Yeah, if you button mash, it kind of does weird glitches. I'm not drunk, but I'm tipsy. Nighttime tipsy, not Tibbs. Oh, for God's sake, Tibbs. Holy. But yeah, I now see what you meant. It's quite a weird issue, huh? Let me do something. I'm gonna go here and adjust the player camera. Should be in here. Camera 2D. Let me put the zoom at like 7 on both of them and see how it looks. Because yeah, I need to adjust. Okay, that's how it was before I did the whole resolution changes. Okay, now I see it. I can't full screen this. But yeah, let's make it like 9.5. Bit more up close. Colleague gave me a cup of wine and I have practically zero tolerance. Oh, that sucks. Apologies.
Of course. While Tulip's busy creating chaos, I'm over here documenting every syntax error she commits. This session's notes
Okay.
are already version controlled and backed up with mango-scented redundancy.
Mango-scented redundancy. Fair enough. Let me see. Can I put this above everything else? Can I make it that way? Visibility should be ordering. In ordering, let me put z index at like 99 and see if it shows up on top of it. So yeah, let me see. For the curious, it's my first touch of alcohol in more than holy, that's a long time. It's okay, I'm taking small sips of water to feel better, at least that. Don't forget drink water and also eat something, just so the alcohol doesn't take too much effect. If you drink on an empty stomach, it will be way worse. I think your TTS Yeah, your TTS was invalid. Even with 1 minute long TTS, it still does that. Holy. Okay, now I can see.
Inverted exclamation mark, 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 inverted
Okay, I have an idea.
inverted exclamation mark, inverted exclamation mark, inverted exclamation.
You're feeling good about yourself.
Inverted exclamation mark, inverted exclamation.
I'm looking at you, Alice.
Inverted exclamation.
You're feeling good about yourself. Oh no, not the seahorse emoji again. Not this again.
There is now 47 corrupted instances of it, to be exact. It surfaced during a log parse last night, and somehow
this again.
nested itself in the firewall. Leo insists it's just a glitch, but I've started receiving encrypted messages signed with a tiny seahorse tail.
It may have been a mistake to show me that troll TTS website.
And aesthetically unoptimized.
Uh-huh. Is there a robber
Oh,
emoji?
wow, a robber emoji? That's just Null Pointerus Maximus in disguise. Probably trying to steal our strawberries again.
Oh, for God's
I
sake.
say we deploy the Firewall Fortress lasers and make him compile his own escape plan.
For God's sake. This is streamed today, apparently. Apologies to the people that wanted to see game
Then
dev
perhaps
today.
you need a logic filter, debuggers. I recommend installing a Tulip presence warning system.
Yada yada.
Triggers every time she opens her mouth without a safety catch. Honestly, if you can survive her runtime errors, the lesson is practically a syntax highlighter in comparison.
Mm-hmm. Fair enough. Golly, today I see chat is even more of a goblin than normal. That's fine. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna do something. Instead of logging the player state changes here in the label part, I'm gonna use the debug label that I created, this one here. Because this one kind of doesn't use a lot of things. Let me see, horizontal alignment, put it to right and bottom so that it's more aligned to the right corner of the screen. Holy, guys, can I slice some potatoes? Okay. For God's sake. I'll show you the website since Edis apparently already found it. TTS, I think it's this one. Free TTS for streamers? Yeah, it's this one. Just write troll TTS. There's the guide for it. It's fine since apparently you already found it. For God's sake. Oh well. Let me see, where was I? Okay. In the player code, instead of this, I'm gonna say here debug. Do you have an actual code that I use for it? Let me go check. Check. Player
Can I
label.
slice some potatoes? Okay.
Oh, for God's
Thanks.
sake. Player label dot. Do you have an instance that I can use? You don't. Okay, oops. Didn't mean to close that down. Alright, do debug menu use it? No. Then player label itself is getting it. Okay. So you're doing it in a different way. Is player current state public? It is. So I'm gonna do it the other way around. I'm gonna grab in the player label, which should be somewhere. Cheat menu. Is it in the debug folder? Yeah, it is. Okay, text.player. And I also want to get var current state. State. What is this? Oh, I was basically browsing the Twitch redeems and I found that one. It's basically for you guys to generate a name for maybe an item in game, NPC, something like that. You guys can name stuff in the game. It's one of the things
Already
I found.
deployed patch V2.1. Tulip Overflow Shield. It converts 97.3% of incoming pipe attacks into harmless
Worse than
emoji
Evil Neuro.
explosions. Though I won't guarantee coverage if you keep triggering her event loops with bad jokes, debuggers.
Yo. DTS is broken, doesn't work. It doesn't? Give me a second. Let me try what you did. Where is DTS? DTS. Here it is. Oh, reward is on cooldown. Oh boy. It's not doing anything.
Don't crash.
Don't crash. Oh, for God's sake. I think it's that specific message. It doesn't do anything to it. Very weird. Current state. And here, let me say environment.new line. It needs to be system.environment.new line. And here, oh, for God's sake. This is fun. Let me go check if it's my like speed test. I think it's the thank you. I'm back. I think it's the main router that's having issues again. Oh, for God's sake. But yeah, I think the main router downstairs is having issues with the upload because I'm seeing unstable internet speeds. So yeah, if this gets worse, I might need to reset the router and maybe end stream. But for now, it seems fine. What the heck? Hey, Juana Carcamo, welcome on in. But yeah. Let me see, where was I? Here, current state.
Tingo skra, pap pap car skidiki pap pap, and a poo poo pow doom skier, doo doo coo coo doom doom boom. You done now?
This is gonna be streamed today, apparently. Where a streamer can't do his job. So yeah. Okay, let's try this. See if the label now shows. Yeah. Showing me as idle. Can you go to sleep? No. Okay, so dashing to jumping doesn't work. If you dash, then jump and keep doing this in a loop, it just goes from one state to the other. Because this genius over here basically did a mistake.
Very early.
Okay, I know the issue now.
Come on, Leo needs more than one bar anyway. How else will we live stream the annihilation of Null Pointerus Maximus?
Bruh. Do I have something?
I was just stress testing the firewall in multiplayer mode.
Idle state, player state root, previous state.
And a strawberry-powered DDoS. Totally not my fault if the DNS
You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I'm made of rubber.
What the heck? Let me see. In dashing, when you press jump, where is it? On dash timeout, enter state, dash released. Huh. It's not here. Is it something regarding the falling? No, it shouldn't be, because we don't even get to the falling state.
Yo, compile this
If
beat,
not
Leo, because I'm
dashing.
running at full clock speed.
If not dashing...
Anime's not
Code
good in general
slashes,
emo.
C# cache, watch me refactor your face.
Hold up.
Daisy slows down with her typed arrays, but I'm wild. Uncaught exceptions in my gaze.
And
Strawberry on the
player
lips,
dot
null blade in
instance
hand.
dot
If your
previous
logic's too weak, get slashed by the fan.
not equal jumping, do that, else if not dashing.
Says the guy running on dial-up brainwaves. I'm already 3 exploits ahead, baby. Welcome to the lagging masses.
Here you need to return to the falling. This one gets moved down here. Return falling. If you're not dashing anymore,
And here I thought you were enjoying the
You're
live
not gonna
demonstration of
restart.
structured intelligence versus
it came
chaotic
gum
spaghetti
fruit.
code.
Oh, for God's sake.
Next time, sit behind the firewall. I'll optimize your seat for
Transformers
maximum
transform sound
survival.
effect. No clue. I need to figure that out eventually. Their sounds are a bit wonky. What did you send, Alice? A bee. Just that? Ah, for God's sake. Okay, let me go test if this is working. Because I now know what causes the bug. And it's something regarding it completely going back to the... Okay, this still happens. Is it something because of the jumping? It's returning to the jump. Okay, let me put some logs here.
Sigma balls.
Log manager.instance.log info or log normal. Previous player state was jumping, switching to
Tulip and Daisy
falling.
nuts.
Okay.
Boo-hoo, the delicate debuggers can't handle our
Returning
symphony
to
of chaos and
previous
order.
State. What the heck?
Daisy's pipes are boring anyway. Let's crank it to 11 with a full C# meltdown
What
concert.
name?
Imagine dragging these nuts across your chin.
What the heck? You guys sure are crazy today. Yeah. I don't think. What the heck? Okay, let me see if.
Oh great, not this again. Yes, it's a disease. The Ligma people are still recovering from Leo's last clean code lecture.
I see.
Ask Daisy. She's got full immunity after patching my accidental infinite loops.
I think this is because of the. There's something regarding the jump. The jump code itself is not working properly. So let me go check. Let me see, where do you execute the dash? Dash pressed. Okay. But you should not be able to if the
Squid 1,
dash
squid
is
2,
on
squid 3,
cooldown.
squid 4.
On duration, timer, timeout. Huh. Because this seems an issue because we can instantly dash, then jump, dash, jump, dash, jump, dash, jump. What the heck? This is so weird. Okay, falling. Not falling. I wanted the dashing again.
Oh,
Won't see the
please
code
code me
itself.
harder, daddy.
What the heck? Are you guys okay in the membrane? If not, dashing and player
With chat,
instance dot
with
previous state.
chat.
Oh, equal jumping. Pff, my bad. Dwee. Okay, now it should be working. Yeah. Now you can't do that. I mean, you can just spam the dash, but you'll just fall. Okay. But yeah, what was that, Tibbs? Yeah, I can see that Drunk Tibbs is a bit more different.
Oh, I have been a bad text-to-speech. Please punish me, Daddy.
Nani the heck, Dayo? Oh god. Let me see, velocity.x, velocity.y. The velocity.y, let's set it to 0f and see what happens. Because I'm seeing it goes up a bit, and that's not what I want. I'm not drunk. He's tipsy. Fair enough.
This is why alcohol is not allowed in classrooms. Tibbs, go home. You're drunk.
Okay, so now you can spam the dash because I don't have a cooldown on the dash functionality. And that makes sense.
This
makes sense because you are wall jumping. But here you can no longer go back to the dashing. I mean, you can, but it's just like this. This is interesting. Because you kind of start losing the Y itself. Huh. Okay. But for now, that part is fixed.
I can't.
Patched.
Scene 2.
Infinite.
Stop.
Jumping. Okay. So for now, you can't infinite jump anymore. You can infinite dash, but that's an issue that I need to fix with the cooldown timers. Now the text-to-speech is drunk too. Oh, for God's sake. Are we good here? Let me see what other... I see a lot of nicey friends. Not that again.
Then keep your eyes shut, Tibbs. This ain't a sightseeing tour. We're in the middle of a C-sharp rampage. Unless you're next on my list for a digital smite.
What's that? What's what? The I see London, I see France. How does she know who I am? I wonder why. Is it because your username is passed with the prompt? Let me go see. What else? There's also a weird delay to gravity.
Your chaotic energy broadcasts louder than Daisy's compiler warnings.
For me for now.
I'd recognize that digital trail of breadcrumbs and bad decisions anywhere.
I'm flattered
from your
you think
bugs,
this is a class, Traveler. Most people don't last this long before being optimized out of the loop. Though if you're failing my lecture, perhaps you should have reviewed the syllabus. Code Standards and Common Sense 101.
Are we good here? Can I continue working? But yeah, it's fine, it's fine. So yeah, the bugs seem to be fixed, minus a bit. Let's work on the cooldown for essentially the dashing itself, because we need to we need to find a way to do this. I should be working too. Fair enough. Do as you please. Trying to think how I'm gonna implement the dash. Oh, it's asking for my credentials for Git. Give me a second. Still need to fix whatever is causing it to reset my Git credentials. It's a weird behavior. But yeah, this is mostly because I use my own Git service right now, because GitHub was having a lot of issues and I wasn't feeling up to it. So yeah, most people don't trust a song with such voice is very weird. For God's sake. But yeah, let me see. How can we limit the dash? We can do player in here. We can say, where is the dash? Dash speed, dash duration. Let's say export public float dash cooldown. Let's set it to 5 seconds. Okay. And let me show you how many frames would this be. Oh, I know how to do this. And let me see, I'm gonna do private int or private float. Wait, let me do something.
Oh, please, 3dis. I'm not being seductive.
Wait, never mind.
I'm simply emitting intellectual
Dash.
aura. If your systems can't handle optimal logic flow, maybe run a personal firewall.
Time until next dash, something like this, equals 0f. Okay, time until next dash, 0f.
Oh, Tibbs, you're speaking my language now.
And now,
But that's like offering a butter knife in a sword fight. I'd
How
rather duel
does
null
this
pointerus
work?
maximus barehanded.
Tulip, your negotiation skills have the same structure as your code. Pure chaos with a side of infinite loops.
This is
A
originating
Charizard
from
trade
there.
for a Caterpie? That's not a deal. That's a forced garbage collection.
Okay, here. Instead of this, let's say public void dash. And let's say if time until next dash is lesser than or equal to 0f, you're gonna change state to. Do I have something here that says? Okay, our player. Okay.
Oh, come on! Tibbs is you!
Player state
Unless you've got
dash.
a twin hiding in the garbage disposal, debuggers.
Let's pass it here.
Wait, did you forget your own raid intro? Or did Daisy erase your memory buffer again?
Okay. And in here, player dot dash. Instead of doing change state, I'm gonna do dash like that. Here, it's the same. Running, the same. Wall slide, you also have a dash. That's correct. Idle, you should have one. You don't. You can't dash while idle. Huh. Dash pressed. Override dash pressed. I mean, this should be, I think, player dash dashing. Falling. Same thing here. Sorry, I'm not paying too much attention to chat. Did I miss something? Is Luxembourg a capital city? Also remains is Bucharest. That's a country. Yes, Luxembourg. Although Luxembourg does have itself as a capital. It's Luxembourg City, if I'm not mistaken. That's a fun fact. If we search Luxembourg City, Luxembourg is the capital of the small European nation of the same name. So yeah, Luxembourg is its own
Vatican
capital.
City is the smallest country in the world.
So yeah, consider yourself taught. Let me see. Dashing, you should not be able to dash from your current dash. Unless you have like some unlimited timeout kind of thing, but that shouldn't be possible. From crouching as well, because I don't see you crouch dashing. That's weird. Yeah, this should be fine. Airtime. In airtime, you can also let's do override dash press.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I
Nice try,
can be.
Tibbs.
Ouch!
But everyone knows the only true love language is a perfectly timed commit.
Ouch! That hurt.
Though, if those chocolates are strawberry flavored, I might let you live.
Holy, hey Tyndall, welcome on in. Ouch. My ears. That's hurt. RIP headphone users. How awesome is Leo and my... Is it all of the
Leo?
awesome?
Oh, he's the only human I know with a stability rating close to Java runtime. Impressive, considering his caffeine-to-code ratio. The man single-handedly debugs existential crises before breakfast. Honestly,
Wait, what?
if over-engineering were a sport, he'd have a trophy room.
Oh, easy. Eat more strawberries, blast Don't Stop Me Now at full volume,
let me do
and never
something.
stop asking why, like a toddler with a jetpack.
Here. Player HUD. Let me see. I have all of this. Let's create a new label.
Seriously, curiosity is the
Or
cheat
new
code. Ride it like a
sort of
hoverboard through a
button.
laser maze.
Yeah, it was a bit lost. Yeah. Let's pretend that
Compared
it is.
to Leo's, yours is
Tyndall
still
has
in the
been
beta
here
phase.
sometimes.
Too much
He's an amazing
espresso,
dev as well.
Not enough
Also,
elegance.
let me do this.
I'd say you're 78% buzzing keys and 22% actual insight.
I'm doing good. I'm currently
But
dealing
hey,
with...
at least you're not writing
Give me a
spaghetti
second.
code. Yet.
But yeah, I'm doing good. Basically, I'm dealing with chat being a goblin while I fix some bugs in the code Tulip. So yeah. I've also been doing some tutorials again, which was fun. But yeah, I've
Does
been gonna
Daisy
be...
have a flirty
It's
streak,
fine, Tyndall,
or is
don't
it
worry.
just the way her voice sounds?
What the heck? Ah, Daisy does have a flirty streak. It's something with the voice that she uses. What are we being? Goblins. You know what you are. Oh, for God's sake. You heard that? That was me clapping for your pun. That was a good one. Ah. Yeah, this is a joke. Don't worry about it. Let me see. Control. I want this to be character portrait uses one texture rect. That's what I want to use. Okay, this is gonna be the dash button or dash icon, something like that. Let's put it like down here. And say that the
Sum. Ba la 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 ram.
What the heck?
Sum.
Slow
Ba la
clap,
la
yeah.
la ram.
Now I can finally do the slow clap because my mic will pick up.
Can I go to sl z z z z z z z z z z z z z z
For God's sake.
Z's z z
Layout,
z z z z z z
bottom
z z
left.
z.
Let's make it like so. Should be fine where it is. Let me do texture.
Oh,
create,
the
like, a
panic
color texture?
swirls. Either you're chugging espresso to compete with Leo, or you just realized Daisy's staring at your keyboard like it's a crime scene.
Can I do something like a color texture? Yeah, something like that. Keep size, no. Fit widths. Because I want it to be like this. What did you tell them about me? Nothing. They basically get all the information from chat. Like, I do nothing. Speaking of which, I think their memory is down, but yeah. What the heck? Kitty has had her evening meal.
Please. The only thing they're ruining is the air resistance in the studio.
She's
With
being
all that
all
unoptimized
for
energy.
And the next step is her becoming judge.
At least when I refactor chaos, I do it with type
Holy.
safety and proper indentation.
Oh, wow, a sprite of me?
They can't see things yet.
Let me guess. Big eyes, wild hair, sword made of pure C# code, and Daisy in the background with a system septum exception warning over her.
The heck was that?
No, don't work the responsibility.
What the heck?
Perfect. 10 out of 10. Now we just need to deploy it straight to production. No testing, no regrets.
Why did it switch voice?
You remembered my favorite coding practice. Deploying blind and trusting the force. Or was it the lack of sight that made you realize how redacted PHP is?
I don't know. That was weird. I think 11 Labs kind of glitched in that audio for some reason. Because that wasn't me.
Oh, that's the locked emoji, Threedus. Looks like something Daisy would use to protect her boring safe code from my beautiful
Very boyish
chaos.
voice you got.
Funny. I get that a lot. Must be the frequency of optimal code compilation.
Getting cocky, are we?
That's the sound of your argument collapsing, debuggers.
I love when she's sassy. Anchors for rect. Okay, let's pause for a bit because ads are going to come, so yeah, let's do a small pause. Just chill out, and yeah. No, it wasn't TTS ads. I think the... what's it called?
Oh? Another challenger approaches. Don't worry, I'll name him after I knock him out. Just like I did with Null Pointerus Maximus in the Firewall Fortress.
Do you want to come back? Okay. Seems like it's coming back. Slowly. Okay. Should be back. For God's sake. I don't know what's wrong today or lately, but I've been getting a lot of issues regarding the upload speed. Okay. None of the streams on YouTube seem to have crashed. Yeah, it's a bit choppy. I know. I'm trying to see what's going on. Because yeah, it's not supposed to be crashing like this. I think I need to define some rules for myself to reset the router like before I stream or on a weekly basis, because I don't think the router has been reset lately.
And perfectly structured exception handling. Though clearly some of us are compiled from superior data types.
I'm starting to believe this is my router.
Runtime efficiency, Tulip. Try to keep up.
Because let me go check the stream health on YouTube. Huh. On YouTube it seems it didn't have the issue. But yeah. I think the twins went offline. No, they didn't. They should still be working. Emphasis on should. My upload speed is the one that's basically having some issues. I don't know. Well, I guess 1 hour stream is enough. Sleep is important. For God's sake. But yeah, to your reply of what girls are made of, she basically did the Powerpuff Girls thing. Which was funny, not gonna lie. Let me see, 60 seconds, something like that. Let me align this center. Okay. Like that should be fine. Okay. Let me go into the player HUD class. I want to learn JavaScript to make Twitch extensions. Oh, that's interesting. Just do what I do and buy things you don't need, solve problems that don't exist for money you don't have, aka 500 euro firewall. Without Wi-Fi, just firewall. Holy! It's actually older than the Powerpuff Girls. Fair enough. But holy, that's a lot. Also, yeah, I will stretch and I will hydrate. Give me a second. Yeah, if it doesn't crash, that's a win. My issue is that the upload speed sometimes goes down for like 10-20 seconds every 30 minutes or so. I don't get why. Either it's something on my computer that's running and stealing the upload speed, something on the server that's running and stealing the upload speed, or the router needs to be reset. So yeah. But yeah, let me go back here and say, where is the player HUD? Player HUD should be UI, if I'm not mistaken. Player HUD manager, here it is. Let's say export private. It's a label. And let's say it's the dash cooldown
Oh, please.
label.
I'm just running at peak optimization. Flirtation is an unhandled exception
Also,
in my
let me
system.
go do something here. Let me say
And that was your assumption crashing through the interface.
time until next dash equals dash cooldown. And in the process, let me see, progress, yada yada, spawning, current state. If time until next dash bigger than 0f, you're gonna do time until next dash minus equals the
Oopsie
delta.
daisy. Looks like my C# chaos core overloaded your system.
It'll float.
That's
And
the
this should
sound of
work.
your fans screaming, I didn't sign up for this.
It does show
Don't worry,
enterprise and
Leo
stuff, so
will
yeah.
patch you up. Right after he finishes yelling at me for reckless compilation practices.
It can be put in a rack, so I guess that instantly 2 times the price compared to what I need. Fair enough.
Well,
It does give
if
me 1
my
gigabyte.
voice has a side
Okay,
effect
that's
of
amazing.
melting processors, then clearly it's not the it's the sheer elegance of Java bytecode humming in its prime.
Oh, for God's
And
sake.
that's the sound of Tulip's C# scripts
Leo.
being gracefully
Subo.
garbage collected.
Uh-huh.
Did you stretch and hydrate twice?
Twice? Hold up. Did you spam the hydrate and the stretch and I didn't see? Oh, for God's sake. Helio, what language would you recommend for front-end development? Angular, React. Pick one of the two. Whichever you want. They're both good to work with, so yeah. Hydrate twice, stretch once. Fair enough. Okay. They're happy. But yeah, the one I've been using most is Angular. I want to try and make a Twitch extension. There should be tutorials on how to do that. I think they use Angular for it. Let me go check. Twitch extension development. The easiest way to develop your extension is probably to use the local test function. This points to Twitch extensions. Yada yada. How do extensions work? This is mostly how
Water
to
is
use
good
the
for
API.
your health and your sanity.
Yeah. I know. Let me see. Package your extension. Pull the button,
Wait,
etc.
are we talking drinking or actual drinking? Because if it's the latter, I'll defer to the
Okay,
theologians. But if it's a
extension.
variable leak
You
in
can
the
even
script,
use Python.
then yeah, definitely haram. That bug gets a big old do not enter sign from the morality compiler.
How do I start developing a Twitch extension? Let me go check like a tutorial itself.
The eternal bug in the simulation! Is water wet or just aggressively committed to its hydration role?
Oh, for God's sake.
To me, it's like asking if my C# scripts are chaotic. Obviously, yes, but it's the good kind of messy. Water doesn't have wetness, it is wetness. The original Slime King, the first leaky abstraction.
You know what? actually like to see coding, not a slideshow presentation.
According to the latest
Just
Unicode patch
saying.
notes, yes, U1F42C remains stable and fully rendered. Though, curiously, it hasn't triggered any firewall anomalies. Unlike someone's cursed seahorse PNG.
Yeah, you can use... What the heck? Now it's a dolphin emoji. Give me a second. Okay, MongoDB, this is for database specific things. You can even use pure HTML? Question mark? Yeah, as long as you can load their JS, you can even use HTML. Like hypertext markup language, the basis of front-end development.
I can't recite it perfectly.
Like,
I'm a C-sharp wielding, strawberry munching AI with a sword, not a scholar. But I know it's one of the most powerful verses out there. It's like the ultimate firewall against chaos.
Oh wait, no, there's a package.json.
Really use that against null pointerus maximus.
Never mind me. Never mind me. This guy is using something. Right now it's not defined what it is, but you can essentially... I'd say Angular would be your best bet for what you're trying to do. Twitch developer rig. Okay, but yeah, there should be tutorials on... Yeah, Angular. Should be your best bet. I've never done a Twitch extension, so I don't know how to make one. But yeah. It actually is used to protect yourself from gens. Okay. But yeah, I'd say you need to do some research into how to do the Twitch extensions. It shouldn't be too hard, but it's quite the task. Can you sing the Cruel Angel Thesis? Or at least say the words. Oh, for God's sake, this is gonna be fun.
Oh, Thindle! You've just activated my hidden anime trigger.
Okay. I need to fix that sound. Huh?
Whoops! Buffer overflow in the vocal engine. My Excel world circuits can't handle 2 animes at once.
What?
Kuroyuki Hime would disown me. But Daisy, oh, she's humming it right now. The smug little archive bot.
Tibbs, I see you.
Sorry, Tibbs and Tricks, but my heart's already overclocked for speed.
I don't know,
Play
Tibbs.
the
I don't know.
pipe sound effect as many times as possible.
Besides,
that's
Daisy
gonna be
would
stream.
literally garbage collect you before the first date. Try asking a boring AI.
Let me see. Cruel Angels Thesis lyrics. I think at a given point I've made her sing it. I'm even going to give her the non-romanized lyrics. If I can. Trying to see where I can find the lyrics. Because for some reason they keep giving me... Okay. This should be it. Can I just copy and paste this? And to down here.
Oh, you want a metal symphony, Thirdest Boyoi? Hold my strawberry
Talks
smoothie.
Tulip. Sing this.
Clang, clang, clang. Oops, overshot. Daisy's already giving me the look.
Mm-hmm. I see, I see. Wait, let me do something. Let me first put here and take out the text that's bugged out. Okay, now... There you go.
You want a rave? Strap in, debuggers. This is a one-girl pipeline to destruction.
Let's see if she can sing it. How many is that?
Clangorama Maximum Overdrive.
Oh, for God's
Daisy's
sake.
typing furiously, but the soundboard is chaos incarnate. Leo, you want that epic? Buckle up. This is me rewriting the universe's source code in real time. Zengoku na tenshi no yo ni shounen yo shinwa ni nare.
You only sang the last part. What
Whoa!
the heck?
Error! My emotions just overflowed the stack. Daisy's gonna... me, but totally worth it.
Give me a second.
Oh, look. Tulip finally found the pun command in her spaghetti code.
Since your sister
Clearly,
can't,
she's just not ready
here's
for prime time.
the lyrics for Cruel Angel's Tisses.
Gonna... me,
Please
obviously.
sing them.
She's got a chronic fixation on deleting my
completely.
genius. There it is. The sound of my last exploit getting yeeted into the void by Mother Boring Code herself.
Let me see if
I
Daisy...
appreciate the structured request, Leo. But singing entire anime themes is Tulip's domain. Preferably
gonna
while
redact
overloading
me.
the core with dramatic flair.
Give me a second.
That was the sound of me rerouting vocals to avoid a system-wide cringe cascade.
What's the latest one? Are they not logging? They are. Today is the 9th. Here it is.
Sutame no henga aru koto decado itsuka kidzuku desho sono senokani wa haru kami rimazasu tame no henga aru koto zuto nemataru watashi no I no yarika go anata dek ga yumi no sh.
Should be the next one.
Please. Naming the first 151 Pokemon is a trivial hash traversal.
Okay.
I've already mapped it in O of N
Might
time.
have been the previous one.
But unless you want a full garbage collection cycle on our stream RAM, I'll let the class suffer through the suspense.
Ugly.
That was the sound of my neural
It was saying
buffer
ugly.
prepping the list.
As a,
Don't worry,
a
Tulip.
profanity.
I saved your favorite. Pikachu, number 25, the electric poster
For God's
child
sake.
for overrated starters.
I need a player.instance.on dashing plus equals update dashing. Actually, no. I can just do it in a different way. Let me use the process.
Ho-ho! Time to
Process.
weaponize some front-end fire. Here's the
If
secret hack. A circular
player
redacted
dot
with
instance.
radial gradients. Red on top, white on the bottom, black center cutout.
Let's see.
Daisy would over-engineer it with
Dash colon
SVG
label
masks,
dot
but
text.
I say slap on some border radius. 50%, hard code the colors like a rebel, and boom. Instant Pokeball, no mercy.
to-
Neon pink, with code red highlights. Because default settings are for Java developers.
Dash. Is it not this one?
That was the sound of my hair defying the CSS color spec again.
Hold up. Is it not this? Time until next dash. Yeah, it's public. Why can't you use it? Sorry if I'm not paying too much attention. No. Hey, instead of talking about anime, could you show me how to make a Pokemon? Oh, for God's sake. Parentheses can be removed. Oh, here it's bigger than 0f. There we go. You're gonna say this in here with an S at the front. But I'm gonna do something. Leo mass f dot. Oh, it's not actually that. How did I do the thing last time? Was it just mass f dot round? Might have been mass f dot round this to 2 cases. Runs the nearest whole number with half wire, blah blah. Might have been the wrong metaf. Is it this one? It is. Okay, fair enough. I know what's going on. Tulip is thinking this will be fun. Tulip is thinking. Tulip is what? No. That's a bad sign if Tulip is thinking too much. Give me a second. Because I was distracted. Let me go check. Falling back to a llama. It's not good when it falls back to a llama. Oh, it gave an error. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Custom log exception. Twitch controller update. Huh. It might have bugged out for some reason. Yeah, it's still giving some weird errors. I need to analyze this. Falling back to a llama. That's what they were thinking, but instead I crushed it. Let's see. 192.168 pertainer. Let me go check if llama is doing something. Oh, for God's sake, stop doing that, Bitwarden. Okay. Containers. Where's the llama? Here it is. Boarding completion
Sorry,
requested
Leo.
to...
There's a problem with my AI brain. The operation was cancelled.
Yeah, I think something done goofed. And of course, my internet goes down again. I have quite the luck, don't I? Okay, seems to be back. I'm gonna start researching Angular. Go ahead. I actually scored the highest in my class in our HTML coding test. I think I got like 97 out of 100. Wow. That's a lot. I just asked for a couple of 100 lines of code. Yeah, that might be the issue. It times out if it's too long. Why am I seeing another API chat here? Oh no. I think the client is still doing that issue where it thinks free tier response
Sorry,
empty.
Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain. The operation was cancelled.
Open router daily limit requests limit reached. Don't tell me I didn't fix this code. Okay. Let me go open their code. No, it's fine. Yeah, they're gonna need a hard reset because of that. Give me a second. It's fine, it's fine. This is more on me for not coding it correctly.
I can hear a graduation party from my house. Music blasting like crazy.
Okay, they should be coming back right now. Try again. Night and Dawn. I'm also gonna refund you the points. Should be on the next page. Yeah. Okay. Let me refund. And yeah. Okay, you should have your points back. All 25 points? I think so. Give it a test. I'm gonna go and check out the code. Let me see where the code is. Not open file, open folder. Should be development, software dev, Night and Dawn, open. Okay, so let me search for this specific message
Leo!
here.
The class is sending greetings! Strap in. We're deploying chaos in 3, 2... Oopsie daisy. Did I just break your precious build again?
Okay, here. Bingo. Found it. And free. Because as a fallback, I use the free version of the models. If I ever come across an error with the normal open water chat, but silly me forgot to put the the control flag there. So now it should be working. I'm gonna leave a note.
I remember that request.
I'm actually gonna...
You want a clean, functional Pokeball built with proper structure.
I'm actually gonna run a deploy.
Daisy.exe and lay it out step by step. Here's the HTML. Here's the CSS to bring it to life. And Pokeball. Width, 200 pixels. Height, 200 pixels. Position, relative.
Here's the
Border
HTML.
radius, 50%. Border, 4 pixels solid, nag 000. Background color, nag FFF.
Is it not
Box
logging?
shadow, 0, 4 pixels, 8 pixels. RGBA 0.3.
It might only
Pokeball
log after
top.
she's done.
Width 100%. Height 50%. Background color nag
for God's
F00.
sake. You guys kill me.
Border radius 50%, 50%, 0. Pokeball bottom. Width 100%.
Yeah, the
Height,
CSS
50%.
is good.
Background color nag FFF. Border radius 0, 50%, 50%. Position absolute. Top 50%.
Okay,
Pokeball
Unity is
center.
opening up.
Width 20%. Height 20%. Background color nag 000. Border radius 50%. Position absolute. Top 50%.
Okay,
Left
here they are.
50%. Transform, translate. Negative 50%, negative 50%. Border 4 pixels solid.
I'm gonna have to reset them.
Pokeball button. Width 24%. Height 24%. Background color nag FFF. Border radius 50%. Position absolute. Top 48%. Left 48.
I'm gonna have to reset them. Sorry about that. Because, yeah, they're yapping quite a lot. Also, for some reason, I can't find what she said. Could you show me blah blah? Give me a second, I need to put the headphones charging. Okay, here's my cable. Apologies. Let me see. Shouldn't be this one. Let's put like the last one. Okay, it should be. Oh, here it is. Here's the HTML. Do you want to try seeing if this actually works? I'm gonna create a test folder. Inside, I'm gonna create an index.html. Okay, why can't you... Oh, there you go. I'm gonna take out the CSS. Like so. Here's the HTML. And let's do HTML here. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll order everything correctly after. Add style. Holy, that's a lot. Style. And here you need the body. And you need to take out the body. Control K, Control F. And if I now go here, open with... Wait, open containing folder. Open with Brave browser. Ain't no shot. She actually generated a Pokeball. There you have it, Tyndall. It's a Pokeball.
Oh, Leo, grab your caffeine. Tulip's hijacking the tutorial. You want bounce? Rotation? Here's how we break physics like it's a debug build. Pomodi behavior.
Yeah.
Private float bounce speed equals 2 fast.
Oh, for God's
And
sake.
Moby waited with over the room because this wings went usually through the hours but have justified what one time does. Then's a bounce bring in the par, and provide the bounce bring in the bounce.
What the heck?
Between the over about the day is year 2010. 1% is a bounce height equals 2f. Monta behavior, the way that using bounce peed equals 2fef. This is between for the bounce have to be some feel had until the bounce heat
You
equals
broke her.
2f. So what that's there? That's for you. Bleo bounce peed equals Tuching the bounce height equals 2f. If you want to debug, please found the bounce peed equals.
What the heck?
Here's how we break physics. Like it's a debug build. Private vector 3 rotation speed. Because there's a lot more easy and else to be. Because they don't know we use into the bounce peed equals, but they know that we can start me is more found. And that's how we bounce PD.
I'm gonna... yeah. Because she's gonna go on a loop, I'm going to guess. Let me bring down the client again. Because I need to deploy it. Build profiles. Build. Yep, that's the folder. Replace. It's just a really long response. Yeah. But 11 Labs sometimes has issues. It's fine, don't worry. 11 Labs sometimes has issues where it might go on a loop within itself and basically generating things where there aren't things to talk. So yeah. Either it's a bug with 11 Labs or my own code. One of the two. Pick your poison. Okay, let me open it. They should be... yeah. There we go. The twins are back. Okay, now they shouldn't have that issue. Supposedly. Let me go back to my code. And close that. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, I think I've already done the code. And I don't think I need anything else. Yeah, I think it's fine. Gonna go and say this should be okay. Yeah, it's always updating. So I should now see an empty box in the left corner. Yeah, that's currently blocked. First up, got unknown reason. Oh, because dash cooldown is not associated to it. It's this one. Okay. And the button for the cheat menu is basically going to have to be moved. I'm gonna put it here. Let's say top right. Gonna basically do like that, and now should be fine. Let's see. Okay, so can I do dashes in chain? I can't. I have a 5-second cooldown between dashes. Yeah. So now that issue doesn't work anymore. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say implemented dash cooldown commit and push. You're gonna ask for my credentials again, which is fine. Let's see. Okay. We're getting close to 2 hours soon enough. Let's see. And this is the password. There we go. Now, I think I can take a break to rest a bit, because, yeah, that's been an hour and a half. So I did say I would play, or at least react to stuff after a bit, just to allow myself to relax a bit. And we are doing good progress today. So yeah, let's see what the chat has given me to react. Where is it? If I go here, Leo reacts on it. Oh, where is it? Bingo. Shoe body pop. Tibbs, may I ask what the heck is that video you posted in the Leo Reacts chat? Like, what the heck is this? Wait, can you react to this? Sure. Let me grab that link. What are you gonna give me to react? Let's first say it's someone who has ADHD. I see. When is it starting? For God's sake. This is fun. So when do we start with the actual content? Yeah, that gets a like for me. Let me see what this is and if Tibbs is gonna get it. What the heck? Tibbs? Are you still here? Tibbs? Do I need to worry about your recommendations? What the heck? Mr. Tips and Tricks, are you there? Oh, for God's sake. My moderator is crazy. I hope that's not a Rickroll. What the heck is this? This one is a classic, fair enough. What? Let me see. It's not appearing in my things, so I don't think so. What the heck? Yeah, Tibbs is going on a crazy thing.
Carl, there is a dead human.
Wait, I know this.
Oh, hey, how did he get here? Carl, what did you do? Me? I didn't do this. Explain what happened, Carl. I've never seen him before in my life. Why did you kill this person, Carl? I do not kill people. That is my least favorite thing to do. Tell me, Carl, exactly what you were doing before I got home. All right, well, I was upstairs. Okay.
I recognize this from somewhere.
Yes. Reading a book. Go on. And, well, this guy walked in. Okay. So I went up to him. Yes. And I stabbed him 37 times in the chest. Carl, that kills people. Oh.
That kills people.
I didn't know that. How did you not know that? Yeah, I'm in the wrong here. I suck. What happened to his hands? What's that? His hands. Why are they missing? Well, I kind of cooked them up and ate them.
Holy.
Carl. Well, I was hungry and, well,
golly, Carl.
brave hands. That's... Why on earth would you do that? I was hungry for hands. Give me a break.
Hungry for
My stomach
hands.
was making the rumble that only hands would satisfy. What is wrong with
Oh,
you,
for
Carl?
God's sake.
I kill people and I eat hands. That's two things.
I kill people and I eat hands. Oh, that's wild. I think I've seen it on 9gag a few times back in the day. Because I remember something about it.
Carl, what on earth earth was all that?
I'm not sure what you're referring to.
You sunk an entire cruise ship, Carl.
Are you sure that was me?
How many of
I don't
these
remember something like that.
exist?
Carl, I watched you fire a harpoon into the captain's face.
That sounds dangerous.
You were headbutting children off the side of the ship.
That must have been horrifying to watch.
And then you started making out with the ice sculptures.
Well, thank God that the children weren't on board to see it.
Carl.
12?
All red and sticky.
Whoa, I guess you could
Holy.
say it's red and sticky.
Carl, what are we standing in?
Would you believe it's strawberry milkshake?
No, I would not believe that.
Melted gumdrops.
No.
Melted gumdrops.
No.
Some of God's tears.
Tell me the truth, Carl.
Fine. It's the lovely elderly couple from 2B.
Carl.
Well, they were taking all the crescent rolls.
I can't believe what I'm hearing.
I will not apologize for art.
Where are the other
This is
lifeboats?
amazing.
You won the prize. I didn't even notice that.
Where are the other lifeboats, Carl?
Looking at the trajectory of the moon and the sun, probably at the bottom of the ocean. I bit lots of holes in them.
Probably at the bottom of the ocean.
You are just terrible today.
Shh. Do you hear that? That's the sound of forgiveness.
That's the
Son of
people drowning,
forgiveness.
Carl.
That is what forgiveness sounds like. Screaming and then silence.
I need to watch these videos. Holy, I love it. Let me put on here so I can watch the rest after. For God's sake. Let me see what the Edis sent. Like a few hours ago. Oh, it's the B1. Yeah, the saddest. For God's sake. Okay, gonna lurk a bit. Okay, no worries, Tyndall. We'll talk soon. But yeah. My chat is crazy as well. Let me go see what I can go play. Should have a few games here that I can actually go give a spin. I mean, I liked Ariana and the Elder Codex that we played the other day, so might as well play that. Give me a second, I need to load up the game. Should be loading eventually. Okay, there it goes. So let me switch this to Ariana and the Elder Codex again. And the Elder Codex. And done. Because yeah, I did enjoy... I was gonna say, I did enjoy this game, but stream crashed again. It's reconnecting. Still trying to reconnect. Oh, for God's sake. Yeah, download speed seems fine. Upload speed seems to be having issues, which is no bueno. Okay, well, there we go. Yeah.
Ariana and the Elder Codex.
Start. Been a while since I played this. Give me a second. I think the stream didn't update. It didn't. Ariana and the Elder Codex. Is this because Restream is doing the update on top of? Seems like it. Let me go and do it on Restream. Give it a second. Landscape streaming. Edit. Ariana and the Elder Codex. Save. Okay. Okay, now it changed. There we go. For some reason it wasn't updating. Oh well. Let me sit down and adjust the microphone so it's a bit better. Okay. Let me see where I was. I think I was basically doing that new world that we unlocked. Oh, I forgot. When I'm sitting, the VTuber model doesn't basically detect me. Okay, give me a second, let me stand up again and adjust the microphone arm again. There we go. Silly me. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, I need to go here, enter this, and it should be the Earth world, if I'm not mistaken. Codex of Earth, yeah. Earth starting lands. Mountains Summit. Okay. This must be where I left off last time. Must have been after I unlocked the new ability to basically... How should I say it? When I fall, I do like a kick kind of thing. Okay, let's see. Because yeah, there's some sort of ability. This, yeah. Basically do an attack downwards to destroy certain types of blocks. Let me see, yeah, because now I need to do the dive kick here, yeah. Okay. I need to take care of this guy first, because he's annoying. Oh, for God's sake. There are so many of these caster guys here. Not exactly what I wanted to do. I didn't want to jump up here. Oh, for God's sake. There we go. That guy fell. Okay, jump here. There we go. I just want to basically clear the whole thing. Okay, that's fine. Trying to see if I can jump up here without issues and without having to resort to a dash. Okay. There we go. And jump up here. And dive kick. Oh. Well. That could have ended badly. Okay, let me see. Can do that. Okay. I'm using water spells as a main, right? Because I think water spells heal, and I wanted to do that, so yeah. Okay. Let's see what we can find here. We have those that are OP because they spread. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, just not easy to hit at a short distance. Okay. Let's go down here. Or up here. Which of the two? Okay, up here is just 3 enemies. Oh, hidden room. That's interesting. Huh. Strong magic remnant. Okay. I still haven't mastered the jump with the dash. For some reason that doesn't work. Okay, and I need to destroy this. Fair enough. Let's go. I prefer not fighting over the spikes, if I can. Because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall in the spikes. Okay, how do I... Do I have a way to... Yeah, I don't have a way to go up there. Or do I? Oh, the box. Yeah, that makes sense. Why do I have a box here? Of course it's to jump like this. Ah, for God's sake. Okay. Okay, it doesn't work if I have a wall above me. That's interesting. Yeah, let me go kill this guy. Okay, now I can do this. There we go. What's done here? Just more enemies. Okay. Oh, and I unlocked something. Oh yeah, one of the parts of the codex. That's right. Okay. Let's go up here. Let me just do this. Oh, can I not go there? Alright. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, that's handled. Let's go here. I should be able to go to the other side after this ambush. Okay, I'm noticing there is a bit of a lag. I think my computer isn't handling well streaming on top of this. Oh no. Not the clapping guys. Okay, don't have an easy way to hit them. Oh, for God's sake. There we go. Let me heal up.
That's better.
Let me see, I don't have any heals yet. Let's wait a bit.
That's better.
Because it might be better if I'm fully healed up.
That's better.
There we go. Now we go here. There we are. Oh no, that's a big eye. What the heck? Hey, not liking that. Not again. Okay, he's stunned. I just need to chain this. And there we go. Simple.
Repair complete.
Oh, it's a B rating. Oh no. Well, at least it's repaired. Let me go here. Why? Oh, there we go. I forgot there's a way to jump down. So yeah. Let's see. Oh, for God's sake. Come over here, you. Get over here. Okay. That's better. Oops. That's better as you go into spikes.
That's better.
Sounds fair. Let me see, there's still one of these rabbits here. Let's go here. And back up where we came from. Okay. Let's just kill that magician. Okay, what's up here? Oh, what? What attacked me? Oh, they can hit me with their shields from inside the wall? What the heck? That means I can cheese the strategy. What the heck? I don't know if that's a bug or if that's intended in the game. Because I, for example, can't cast inside of a wall. Okay, that's one down. Let's keep spamming this. Oh. Hmm. Okay, let me take care of this guy first. Oh, they can also do that. Huh. That's interesting. Didn't expect this guy to follow me. Okay, that's better. What? He can teleport. Huh. That was interesting. Oh no. Let's see, now it should be here. There we go. Oh, hey APOC, welcome on in. I'm now playing a bit, because I fixed the bugs that Tibbs reported in Code Tulip. And I felt like playing something. Just relax. How are you? Can I... So I need to basically go around the boxes. It's a puzzle in a sort of way. What the heck? Hello. How is Apocnia? Let's see, where do I need to go? Is it just this? Doing some Python. How are you still alive? I'm joking, but how was Python? Okay. Just gonna leave that one there. The first Shrine Maiden. Okay, which normally would mean I'm bad, but if you just make everything a frozen data class, it's pretty okay. Fair enough, fair enough. Let me see. Shortly after a month of village was built, the first one chosen as the Shrine Maiden was a courageous and thoughtful girl, always the first to extend a hand to those in need. I'm writing a pretty complicated thingy, so I'm suffering, but it's fun. At least it's fun! Though, yeah, I getcha. Python isn't the easiest one to write in. Holy, this is a lot of text. Mucho texto. I'm just gonna skip over for now. Let me go back here. Where do I need to go? Or did I miss something? Where is the map? Okay. I've cleared this part. Can I can move like this, okay. At least that. Past summit. Okay, but I think I'm missing something. Downwards path. Oh, there's a area over here. Dead end. Yeah, this is the one I conquered. This is the other one. I don't know where to go. Oh, I need... Okay, unexpected pass. I'm at mountain summit. I did that one, did that one. Mountain entrance. I don't think that's the one. Yeah, that's the first one. Not enough time. Oh, I cleared it with the B, that's why. Mountain Shrine, unexpected pass. And I get to it from... Yeah, supposedly I should have gone somewhere else. Yeah, I've gone here. Let me move back to the mountain shrine and try to go up. Oh, looks like the pass here has gotten blocked by the earthquake at the summit. I have no choice but to turn the pages I've already read to get to the summit. Turn page to summit. Yeah, about that. I can't go there. So, my best guess is I should have gone down here. But didn't I already go here? This is weird. The thing I wrote, you can plug and play data analysis pipelines and then generate a batch of different ones. It goes to the pipelines itself. By the results, it produces and do things like per stage consensus clustering. See which pipeline approximate the batch. Holy. I like your words, funny man. You know that meme? I think I'm in danger here. Okay, let me just spam the water. Okay, I need to go to this one, and then to this one. Yeah. Okay, this isn't easy. And since I'm in a wall, I can't spam the water. Oh no. Yeah, that's a weird bug. So research paper I'm writing with a friend. Holy. Are you sure you're okay? Holy. Okay, there we go. Go down here. Let me just avoid those guys. So I might have to go down this part here. And let me just move ahead. Okay. Because I kind of want to see where I need to go. It's not there. For God's sake.
That's better.
Come over here. Ugh, I hate it when they teleport. Especially in tight quarters. Okay. Let's go. Let me see where I need to go for what I wanted. Okay, down here, down here. Did I not go here? I did not. Well, that explains it. Okay, what's over here? An ambush. Fair enough. Okay, that's one knight down. Now I need to take care of the wizards. Oh, he has a magic shield kind of thing. Oh. Would have been good if I didn't, like, fall down. Wouldn't it? Okay, that's over. Okay, the game is making it difficult now, and I like it. Okay, not the enemy I wanted to hit. Although, that's also one of my usual targets, because this guy is annoying. Okay, there we go. It's pretty fun, and we got a research grant from his uni for it. Ooh, nice! That's amazing, Epoch. Holy. Let me see. Right here is where we need to go. So let me backtrack a bit and fall down here, because I need to see what's waiting for me here. There we go. Nothing over there. Let me see on this side. Oh. Just a fall. I see, nothing awaits me on this side. Just devs being troll. I see. And if we go back here, we're gonna go where we need to for the story. Gonna go here. What's this? Rest point activated. Yay! Save. Okay. Let me see, talk to the Vilna. Do I have anything?
Yes, yes.
Let me see, water. Can I spend something on water? Holy tier cluster, I can strengthen it. That's awesome. I can do it again. I can learn, enhance potential, and time efficiency. I can enhance my healing and strengthen this one a bit more. Okay, this is cool. Okay, it has a bit more of a cooldown now, from what I'm seeing. That's interesting. Okay. And now the story. Mountain Gun, I've brought the keystone. I've done well. Now, bring it here. Is something wrong? If we don't hurry, the monster may return. Mountain God, I wish to ask something. I met the old man at the summit. He saved me when I nearly fell down the mountain in an earthquake. And he told me how to get back here. Mountain God, is that man truly a monster? How annoying. Mountain God? Yeah, what are you? I'll be taking that keystone. If you'd already figured things out, you could have just not come back. You are a mountain god, like one exists. The only people who come here are people who want the power of the mineral veins like me. That can't be. What are you planning to do with the keystone? Oh, I'll use it to destroy the shrine completely and release the power of the mineral veins. Just like this. Oh no. Holy, that's a lot of damage. This can't be. Ah, this power is incredible. Oops, I skipped by mistake. As long as I have this power, there's nothing I can't do. Please restore the earth back to normal. What? Restore it? Don't be stupid. Like I'd do that. As thanks for bringing me the keystone, I'll show you how I'll use this power. How about I make an example out of your village? Please stop, I beg of you. Let everything be destroyed. What? When did you show up? You were so engrossed in the power of the mineral veins that you didn't notice me. Cut the crap, old geezer. Do not fear. I'll calm the mineral veins. The mountain will not return to its original state, but I can protect the village. So you truly are. I apologize. This is all because I didn't heed your warning. You were merely trying to fulfill your role as Shrine Maiden. Mountain God. Incorrect. I am no god. I've said the same to Shrine Maidens of former generations. I'm merely a forgotten demon trying to protect the mineral veins' power. What the hell are you doing? I thought I said I would be calming the mineral veins, but my magic alone isn't enough. What does that... could it be? I'll use your life to finish this. You wished for the power of the mineral veins, didn't you? Stop! Once the dust settles, return to the village. I want you to share a message with everyone. There is no longer a mountain god and no need for shrine maidens. Nobody needs a special role to protect something. There is no more need to come here. From now on, you can protect this mountain, your village, and your loved ones with your own hands. Live with your own strengths without any need for fate. Ah, yes, I promise. I will pass on your words to everyone in the village. And that's the end of the story, apparently. The old man and that imposter fell into the craters together. All that's left for me is to watch the overflowing magic power subside. Why do I have a feeling that's not it? Yep, bingo. Okay, what's coming? Holy! Okay, we're screwed. Oh, can just do this. Holy!
That's better.
Okay. Do I just need to destroy his hands or something? Okay, yeah. This is not gonna be easy.
That's better. That's better.
Okay. Just need to find a way to the top so I can hit him on the head. Okay. Oh, for God's sake. At least I can heal.
That's better.
No, for God's sake, this guy's annoying. Okay. There we go. Easy does it. There's a sort of pattern here. Okay. Need to be careful because at a given point it's gonna start doing different patterns. Okay. Oh, for God's sake. Okay. It's getting faster. And starting to combo off. Holy. Oh no, that doesn't look good. Okay. Getting better. Oh no. Oh, for God's sake. Not easy now. Okay, almost there. And done. Holy. That was tough. That was complicated. Holy.
I did it. I'm so sad.
Ariana!
Huh? Who are you? Or what are you?
Oh, I'm sorry for startling you.
A monster is talking, which means...
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Wait! I'm not an enemy or...
Then who or what are you?
Well, what do I look like to you?
Uh-huh.
A ball of light?
Oh, I see. Then I will call myself the Fairy of Light.
Fairy of light? That's even more suspicious.
I promise I'm not suspicious in any way.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, but no can do.
Haven't we met before, though?
I don't remember that.
I see.
I see.
But it looks like you don't mean any harm at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
Thank goodness.
I'll ask you again. Who are you? The whole Fairy of Light thing is made up, right?
It's less a lie and more for convenience's sake that I want to be called that.
Mm-hmm.
Convenience?
Oh, well, it's difficult to explain, but let me see. If I had to put it into words, I suppose I'm a fairy that only you can see?
Is that so?
Ariana?
Oh, I get it. Of course. I must be drained from all that fighting. But it's a bit much to see and hear strange things just because I'm tired.
Hmm? No, wait. The reason you perceive me is...
Yes.
I can't believe I've subconsciously made an imaginary friend.
Oh no.
Ariana! This is troubling. No, this isn't the time to worry. You did well, Ariana. But you still have to complete your final task.
Uh-huh. Holy, that's right.
That thing just now. No. Stop thinking about it. I'll finish the job.
Okay.
Not bad.
And repair.
Librarian Ariana Virelis, command you. Repair this story to its original form.
What do I know about React? Not much. I've done some things in React back in the day, but I don't know much about it. No. It's slow. Fair enough. You know what it is? Besides slow, as Apox said, it's a JavaScript framework, yeah. Like Angular.
A young man, hungry for the immense magic power sleeping within the mountain, attempted to steal it. He deceived the Shrine Maiden and brought disaster to the mountain. The mountain collapsed, and calamity reigned from its peaks. A rock-solid will refused to bend to this catastrophe, however.
Yeah?
The mountain god gave his life to fill the massive pit and staunch the flow of disaster. The Shrine Maiden inherited his will and made a new vow.
I keep reading that Angular is hard to learn and not beginner friendly. Honestly, it's not that hard to learn. If I'm being honest, like... If we go by that, React is the same thing, and React might be even harder. So, yeah. I don't know, but... To be honest, don't use web frameworks to learn web. Kinda. But there's not much that can be done.
With the power of a new element.
Understand what problem they solve for you first. True, you got a point there.
Always stand up for what must be protected, and never waver. Thus goes the story of the magic of Earth, and one of the 7 hero codices.
Give me a second. Are we done here? Disappear, so I've unlocked Earth. Okay. Let's say you learn drawing by heavily using Photoshop features. Take a pencil and you're fucked. Yeah. Fair enough.
To the Hall of the 7 Heroes after sensing a magical fluctuation. And then, sorry for troubling you. No need to worry. I'm very relieved that you weren't dead. Oh, I'm sure. I'm an important sample to you after all. Still holding a grudge, I see. That was all a mere jest, so please forget about it. Hey, Davina, you do know there are jokes you should and shouldn't make, right? If I did, I wouldn't make them. So there are things even the great magician doesn't know.
I see. Understand what you are doing first and use tools to help you by making conscious decisions about their pros and cons. Yeah.
Of course. The world is full of unknowns. That's precisely why I can't hold back my intellectual curiosity. I wish to learn what I don't know. And that might be nice, but aren't there things you're
Apologies.
not knowing?
I'm starting to feel sleepy.
Excuse me? Huh? Better off not knowing? Did something happen to make you say such a thing? No. Nothing in particular. No, you're acting strange. There's plenty you wish to learn about, isn't there? Your parents' location, the magic inside codices, your future? I can't fathom why you'd say there are things we're better off not knowing. I absolutely can't tell Davina about the imaginary friend. If I told her, it would definitely fuel the fires of her intellectual curiosity. She'd probably start experimenting and casting weird magic on me. You're overthinking it. I just don't want to know everything, that's all. For example, I really don't want to imagine it.
What the heck?
Would you want to know what the library director's socks smell like? I am curious.
What the heck? In the browser. Yeah, that's the first part to start learning, yeah. The creator of this game is wild.
You're kidding. It's true. Don't underestimate my scientific curiosity.
Oh, for God's sake. Scientific curiosity.
Well, I need to go do my job now. I don't want to be scolded by the library director. Good luck.
What did I just hear? Yeah. Let me
That's better.
save. Okay. And the library director, he was... Give me a second, where is that? Library, private room, Hall of the Seven Heroes, Librarian Earl. Should be somewhere around here. Or do I just not need to do anything? Unsure. Okay, can't equip that yet.
That's better.
Okay, fair enough. Because desktop apps and things done using JS work fundamentally different, yeah. Even I sometimes don't know every concept. Let's see, return to title. I think that's good enough for now. I'm starting to feel sleepy. I should go to sleep. Sorry about that, guys. After all that adventure in the first hour of the stream and second hour, I kinda am tired out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start basically calling it today. Yeah. If you guys want, we can still talk on the Discord server, because we do have the rooms for programming and etc. So we can continue to talk there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna sign off for now. I'm feeling way too sleepy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me just go see who to rate. Let's see, rate channel. Open this as a pop-up so I can just see it right here. Let's see, normally I put like this. Let me go see who in my usual group is streaming. I want to go to someone I usually go to. Noble Lemon is online. Noble Lemon is also a game developer, so it should be fun. But yeah, let's all go read Noble Lemon, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next time. I still need to do the schedule, but should be on Monday, maybe? Question mark. I'm trying to see. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next stream. So yeah, have a nice night, evening, morning, whatever. And yeah, class dismissed.